Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Windows Update KB5014019 or KB5013889 which is not able to update or not able to install on a Windows 11, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds. And if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. So the first one is all about you have to run update the troubleshooter. And if you don't know how to do this, you just follow the instruction. Go over here. Now search for settings. Over here, you just have to click on system. Over here in the system, navigate to troubleshoot. From here, click on other troubleshooters. And over here, as you can see, we are having Windows Update. Just go for run. Right now, it will be detecting any kind of problems. And if you're having any problems, this will be fixing this out. So this is the first step which you have to try out. After trying this, if it's not working, then we just have to move to the next one. Next one is all about you have to restart your Windows Update and your background intelligent transfer service. So let me wait for this one. So if there is no issue, then most probably you have to go to the next one. So next one, as I said earlier, which is all about you have to restart Windows Update and also you have to restart your background intelligent transfer service. So what you have to do is you just have to go over here. Then you just have to search for services. Just have to open this one. Now from here, you just have to restart your Windows Update. So as you can see, we are having Windows Update. So I'll be double clicking over it. Right now, as you can see, the Windows Update is set into automatic. Make sure this is set into automatic. You just have to make sure this is start and go for OK. And as you can see, just go for restart services and it will be done. Simultaneously, you just have to search for background intelligent transfer service. So right now, as you can see, we are having background intelligent transfer service. So I'll be double click on this one. Right now, as you can see, the startup type is automatic delayed start. So I'll be changing this to automatic. Then I just have to go for apply. Then I just have to go over here, restart the services. And what I have to do is I just have to wait. Then I just have to wait for it. Once it is done, I just have to close this. Sorry, I have to go for OK. Then I just have to close this and do a restart on your PC or laptop. And you have to check and you will be able to update into the KB versions which I mentioned above in the title. Next one is all about you have to use the Microsoft Catalog. So next one is all about you have to update into Microsoft Catalog. So I'll be providing this link in the description so you don't have to worry. What you have to do is just have to search for the update. So here I'll be searching KB 5014019. So I'll be searching it. When I search, I'm having two updates, as you can see, which is for 64 and 64-bit. So here I have to download the respective one and you'll be getting an option like this. So just click on this one so that it get downloaded and you just have to install this one. You have to do simultaneously for KB 5013889. You have to do for both, right? So once it is done, you just have to install and you have to see, and most probably this will be completely fixed. And even after trying this, if it's not working, the next is all about you have to reset Windows Update components. So what you have to do is you just have to copy some of the files which I'll be giving in the description. So you don't have to worry, you just have to open your notepad after copying it. Now just go for paste. Right now, these instructions will be given in the video description, so you don't have to worry. Once it is done, just go over here and go for save. Okay, sorry, I'll go for save as. Now as you can see, which is .txt. So what I have to do is I just have to save it. I have to save it, but the name should be Wufix. Okay, wufix.bat. Okay, it should be wufix.bat. I should save in this form, wufix.bat, and also the save as should be done to all files, and I have to save this in the desktop itself. Okay, so I'll go for save. Right now I did it, and now I just have to check where it gets saved. So guys, right now as you can see, the wufix.bat is being saved over here in the desktop, and what I have to do is I just have to right click and just go for run as administrator, go for yes, so that some Windows Update will be start working over here. So it will be stopping and it will be restarting by itself, so we just have to wait for it. So once all this is completely done, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Once this is done, you just have to restart your PC. Then you just have to go back to the update. And most probably after trying this, the issue regarding this, which is about how to fix update KB504019, KB50138889 will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.